Grâce à une immersion totale dans le véhicule, nous avons optimisé les solutions de modularité intérieure et créé une troisième rangée de sièges confortables où les passagers ont de la place. Je suis Yanouts, j'ai 33 ans et je suis responsable de l'ergonomie produit au centre technique de Titu. CAVE stands for CAVE Automatic Virtual Environment. It's a tool that gives to the user the impression of the reality. We can see the full vehicle and we can judge what is the perception of the driver in terms of security, the position of the commands, and the comfort as we requested. On Dacia Jogger, on the first trial, a group of people give their feedback to us that the third row of seats was too small, and we had to modify the architecture of the vehicle and move the second row of seats with 20 millimeters to have the best comfort for them. CAVE helped us to do this. We could change in real time the position of the seats without impacting lots of people and the planning of the project, and we could have the best solution fast. In a normal situation, we would request the physical prototypes of the vehicle. These things take a lot of time, at least a couple of months, and we can reduce this time with our tool in just a couple of weeks or a couple of days. We know that this system is making economies of more than 2 million euros per year. So with CAVE, we save money and time. This technology can fit into Dacia brand DNA because we can fulfill our clients' exigence and offer them the best product in terms of quality and price.